To find the reference angle for 1111 degrees, which is a very large number, we would take 1111 divided by 360 to see how many rotations. We get 3.086, so on. This means 11 degrees is 3 times 360 degrees plus some remainder. This remainder is what we call the co-terminal angles. This is not a reference angle yet. If we take 1111 minus 3 times 360, then we get 31. And so this remainder being 31, which is an acute angle, this is also a reference angle. And to get to that remainder, again, we take 1111 degrees minus 3 times 360 degrees. To find the reference angle of 10 pi over 3, which is a relatively small angle, we can just simply count it. Since the denominator is 3 and this angle is a positive angle, we would count it counterclockwise. We start with the positive horizontal axis and we use 3 pi over 3 as pi. 3 pi over 3, another half a rotation is 6 pi over 3. Another half of a rotation is 9 pi over 3. To get to 10 pi over 3, we just simply need to go forward counterclockwise another pi over 3. And so this is 10 pi over 3. The reference angle is the angle that is formed by the positive or negative horizontal axis, and it has to be an acute angle. And so this angle is 10 pi over 3 minus 9 pi over 3, which is simply pi over 3. To find the reference angle of 11, which is still relatively small, we can simply count it. This has to be in radian because the degree symbol is not included. In radian, we start with 0 radian, and then pi, and then 2 pi, and then 3 pi, and then 4 pi, and so on. With pi being approximately 3.14, 3 pi is approximately 9.42, and 4 pi is approximately 12.57. So where is 11 radians? If we're not sure, we can simply use pi over 2 instead. This is 1 pi over 2, 2 pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, and so 3 pi is the same as 6 pi over 2. Therefore, this is 7 pi over 2. We use a calculator to approximate that 7 pi over 2 is roughly 10.996, which is not 11 yet. And so 11 is an angle in the fourth quadrant. 11, we just show that it is an angle between 7 pi over 2 and 4 pi. It is closer to the positive horizontal axis, and so we would take 4 pi minus 11 to obtain the reference angle. 4 pi minus 11 is roughly 1.57, but the exact answer is 4 pi minus 11.